If you want to increase sound for vocals and dialogue on Fire Stick 4K Max, you are at the right place. We have got the way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: go to settings to increase sound. Depending on what version of Fire OS your Fire TV is running, these options might be different. To enhance dialogue on Fire TV Stick, first go to the home screen and navigate to the settings menu. Now select display and sounds. Then scroll down to audio. Next, select advanced audio. Now go to dialogue enhancer and option to modify the dialogue sounds and press the select button on the remote to enable it. While in this advanced audio settings menu, you can also enable volume leveler. This setting keeps the volume levels consistent across all content and streaming apps. Now, from the surround sound tab, you can keep on selecting the available options to check which one works the best for you. Check if the volume is out of sync or the dialogues are delayed, then you can select AV Sync tuning to sync up the audio. And there you have it. This process will help to increase sound for vocals and dialogue on Fire Stick 4K Max. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.